add and customize pre-made titles, music, animations, and effects from the Camtasia library. In this video, we'll build these two title screens and a video background using assets from the Camtasia library. To get started, let's explore the library, which is accessible in the Camtasia Tools panel. Here is the library that is available in Camtasia. Yours may look a little different depending on which version you're using. To view the contents, click on the arrow next to the folder to expand it, and scroll through the options. To preview an item, or as we refer to them, assets in the library, double-click on it. When you find one you like, either click and drag it to the timeline, or right-click and select Add to Timeline at Playhead. Now let's customize it. The Properties panel options change depending on the type of asset you select. In this case, you can customize 4 different colors and the Count property, which will add more rows of waves. Let's update each color. Click on the arrow next to the color and select a color that works best for you. To save this customized background to use again in other projects, right-click on the background in the timeline and select Add to Library. Give it a name and select the library you would like to save it to. Then click OK. To access it, click on the arrow at the top of the library and select the library you saved it to. Now that the background is complete, let's add some text to the title screen. In the Titles folder, there are many different text animations we can select. For this project, let's use Big Type 5. Click and drag it to the timeline onto a track above the background track. Let's update the color to better match our project. Click on the arrow next to the text to open the text editing properties and select a color. Move the playhead to the beginning of the asset and press play to preview it. Let's create our next title screen. I have a text annotation I added to the timeline. It's a bit difficult to read. In the library, under the Dynamic Backgrounds folder, let's use the half-screen fill asset for more contrast. Click and drag it to the track above the background, but below the text annotation, so that the text is on top and the background is underneath. Although there are options to customize the half-screen fill, I like it the way it is, so I'll leave the settings as they were. To show you how you can use these assets for more than just titles, let's add a library asset to improve the look of our screen recording video. On the timeline, we have a video of a screen and camera recording. To improve the look, scroll through the Camtasia library and choose an option that you like best. Let's use Dynamic Fill 4, which is a slow-moving gradient background, so it won't distract too much from our recordings that we want the viewers to focus on. Drag the background to a track on the timeline under the recordings. In the Properties panel, let's update the colors to match our theme. Let's see how it looks. Take some time to explore the Camtasia library to find some favorite options, and if you'd like even more options, click on Download More Assets to see what's in the TechSmith Asset Store. Have fun creating, and thanks for watching.